So let's take a quick look at our 45 crystal collector's kit. It's $139. You get 45 crystals, including Amethyst, the awakener of higher consciousness, the clearer of negative energy and confusion. You also get obsidian, which is a very highly protective stone. I like to say it chews up negative energy, spits it out, and asks for seconds. And then you get some multicolored fluorite. This is a beautiful stone for clarity, focus. It also helps with stress and overexcitement. Citrine, of course, like a ray of warm sunshine. This one can help to energize. It can help you to feel confident. It promotes joy, and it helps to release fear. Then, of course, we have rose quartz, the teacher of self-love and self-acceptance. It's attuned to the heart chakra and helps to open and strengthen. And, of course, howlite, to help bring calm and patience into your life. We have quartz, clear quartz, rock quartz, the master healer. You know it, it's clear quartz. And then we have dream amethyst, which helps to relieve tension and stimulates the immune system. Smoky quartz, which is also a lovely, lovely stone. It relieves fear, nervousness, and anxiety. It's good for emotional stress and brings in positive energy. We have aventurine, which is the luck stone. It promotes a feeling of well-being, and it helps to protect against psychic vampires. And of course, sodalite, one of my favorites, the lightning stone, to help strengthen communication, confidence, and intuition. And then what we have some strawberry quartz, not to be mistaken for the pink variety, but the strawberry green quartz can be very energizing and revitalizing. Lapis Lazuli, favored by the ancient Egyptians, harmonizes all aspects of self. And Labradorite, which acts as a barrier to negative energy. And then green fluorite, the detoxifier and energizer. It balances electromagnetic smog from electric devices, which we could probably all use in our life. Finally, Afghan jade, which helps to bring you into the moment and appreciate the now. So this crystal collector's set, if you were to add up the price of these crystals at sort of a local retail crystal shop, you can buy one of these crystals for $25, sometimes $35, sometimes $40. But if you buy our crystal collector's kit as a complete kit, you can actually end up paying about $3 per crystal, which helps to save the future you a lot of money in crystals. Unless you manage to kick your crystal collection habit, well, that's a whole different thing. But yeah, so it includes all those wands, all the spheres, and 20 rough shards, which are great for jewelry making. What's the catch? Unfortunately, there is a catch. Our shipping can be a bit slow. It can take between 2 and 4 weeks for your crystal collection to arrive. So this is a great order if you have a bit of patience, and if you want next day delivery, well, this is not going to be the offer for you. However, if you still want to learn more about crystals and today's not your day for shopping, check out the Rockin' Crystals channel, where we learn more about crystals every single day. And otherwise, well, this deal is available now. It has been very highly reviewed. Actually, let's just take a really quick look at some of our reviews here, because we have over 1,500 5-star reviews from happy customers at this point. Of course, not all of these are for the 45 Crystal Collectors set, but that is certainly our most popular collector's kit, probably one of our best values, although we do have some other great collectible kits too, also of comparable value, just with a different collection of stones. Some of them are a little less expensive, some of them are actually even more expensive with even more crystals. So yeah, anyway, so you guys are welcome, please, and invited to check out our reviews. Those are linked on our website. And yeah, just scroll through and check out some of the photos that people have shared. There's really some neat stuff here. It's really, really cool to see what everybody has done with their crystal crystal collections rather. And yeah, it's just it's a lot of fun to set up crystals, create your grid, create your sacred space. I actually set up a really cool bird bath area using crystals. I think there was a photo of that in one of my previous videos. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna end this video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that is, like I say, one of our absolute best deals on crystals. I mean, you just can't. It's really hard to beat $3 per crystal. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, drop a like if you like this video. Mostly what we do is crystal gemstone meanings and information and that sort of thing, and every now and then we drop in a promo. We feature some of our shop items, just like this one. So yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day, be kind to yourself and be kind to each other.